General Technology Group is a state-owned important backbone enterprise with machine tool industry as its core business. The group is engaged in open cooperation and innovation-driven with enterprises in the machine tool and equipment industry, jointly building a sound industrial chain. With the goal of creating world-class products, we are committed to high-quality development, continuously meeting various customer needs, and promoting the upgrading and development of the industry. The group's enterprises are deeply rooted in the machine tool industry, with a strong foundation and heritage in its development. With strong technical capabilities and a diverse product series, the business sector has provided high-quality equipment to users in various fields both domestically and internationally. Faced with the responsibility of revitalizing and rejuvenating the global manufacturing industry, General Technology Group takes the development of the machine tool industry supported by industrial hosts as its mission. With new development concepts and a new development pattern, it strives to build a world-class machine tool equipment enterprise and continuously make new contributions to support the upgrading and development of the manufacturing industry.